Hi Elasticsearch fans! At that section we are going to learn how to work with Elasticsearch using different programming languages. Let's define the current section task definition and requirements. So what we are going to do is to build some microservice as a web application that will expose API point for providing hotel search. The structure and the search principles would be close to the case we created and used at the second course of current section. We will use popular programming frameworks and best programming practices. To create our microservice local environment, we will use Docker and Docker Compose combinations. And the last one, but rather essential point, is that our microservice structure should be very flexible for further extending and modifications. We want to achieve such a point that at the end you would be able easily use created skeleton for your further work. We will start with creating a coding microservice environment. Using Docker and Docker Compose, we will create web server, microservice application by itself, and Elasticsearch as a separate Docker containers. Then we will continue with creating our code using the next architecture scheme. Our search request would be processed by controller, where we will create a criteria DTO object. That will create an abstract layer between the front world and our backend logic. You may look at it also from another side, equal as our search service will have its own interface to work with. Such an approach will allow us to be flexible in changing URL parameters. From another side, using the builder pattern, we would be able easily change the source and type of request by itself. For example, we can expose search functionality additionally for some external microservice that will be integrated with our system within some query message broker. Next, we will pass our DTO search criteria object to the search service that will be responsible for representing search results and calling the query builder object. Query builder will use a filter design pattern to construct our final Elasticsearch query using an object-oriented approach. It would be also responsible for adding sort, pagination, and aggregation parameters. In addition, our microservice will keep a model data layer that will project Elasticsearch document structure to according classes. Here is the representation of the builder design pattern that we will use to create DTO search criteria object. The builder pattern is a design pattern designed to provide a flexible solution to various object creation problems in object-oriented programming. The intent of the builder pattern design is to separate the construction of complex object from its representation. In our simplified example, the search criteria object would not be very complicated, but in real practice we can easily have even 50 search parameters, and such an approach would be very helpful. We will also get acquainted with the filter design pattern that will help to organize our code for created complicated Elasticsearch queries. In that section, I will try to recreate all above mentioned architecture using popular frameworks and programming languages. You will find 3 subsections. The first one would be Symfony framework for PHP, and we will use the ONGR Elasticsearch bundle for integration with Elasticsearch engine. The second one would be Python plus Flask combination with using Elasticsearch DSL Python library. And the third subsection would be devoted to Spring plus Spring Elasticsearch data integration using Java programming language as an example. Hope that such variety will allow you to find your favorite stack. So thank you for being with me. Choose the technical stack that you like the most, and let's apply theory at practice.